Okay, so right here is Galaxy. So you can see a little bit of Galaxy right there. So they're doing tons and tons of construction, as you can see. And this is just a little bit of it. There's quite a bit more to the Galaxy. But anyways, so this video we're just gonna explore this a little bit. I'm just gonna go around it and narrate a little bit about what I think might be going on. And you can get a little visual exactly where it is right now too. And just so they can see, right across from Venetian. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is on the other side of Galaxy, and basically you can just see all this construction. When I'm on the one side, it feels like a complete full casino, and I have filmed over there, so you've seen photos of that, or you can find it online. But this is the backside, so there's just like a tremendous amount of construction everywhere. Somebody asked me if I could maybe ride my bike around and film it, and I could. But I was thinking, oh, you know, I'm going to take this bus, and this bus goes halfway around it anyways, and then you can get an idea of just how much construction is going on. And basically, if I was on a bike the whole time, you would just kind of see this. That right up there to the right is the monorail, or the train system. So that drops you off in front of that as well, in front of between the Venetian and this one. And there's a lot of construction going on. There's so much that I don't even know about. Occasionally I'll meet people who are involved with the construction of it, and they tell me that's, like, I don't know, going to be one of the biggest things in Macau by far. So I can't really see it very well, and I haven't really done my own research on it, but I just wanted to let you see the construction, because I'm sure that a lot of the people that view this channel probably know a lot more than me about all the ins and outs of what's going on with the Galaxy, especially if I title it with the Galaxy. So there you go. There's all the construction, and you kind of get an idea for it. So I don't know what the end result is going to be, but it's going to be pretty massive. That's for sure. Okay, hope you enjoyed this one. Make some comments below. Chiquinha. Chiquinha.